A cool, collected man meets a fiery, passionate woman.
So are you coming? Yes.
So in her space, she gets my direct wind. In his, he gets my indirect wind.
Their styles could not be more different. Just toss it in. Whomever it belongs to, I know how to treat the fabric right.
Bixby, open the fridge door.
Oh, we should have a salad.
He prefers light meals. She craves both flavors. And in a moment like this, that's where I shine.
It's right here.